Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to manage sounds and how to set up sounds in MindsEye. So firstly, you should click escape button wherever you are, in settings or in lobby or inside the game, and then find audio. In audio, we have all audio settings, and let's do that. Okay, so here we have master volume. So this is the main volume of all game. Okay, so for example, you can make it a little bit louder or no. Okay, music volume. So music is just the music inside the game. For example, music when you're riding on the car, when just you're going around and hear somewhere music. So this is the music volume, and you can make it quieter or louder. Effects volume, so just sound effects of crashing the car, of using the gun or something about it. So it's all effects volume. Dialogue volume, it's just volume of when characters speak with each other. Spatial audio, you can enable it or disable. This is a surrounding audio feature. If your headphones support spatial audio, you can use it. And of course, if you have Dolby Atmos, for example, installed on your device, you can use spatial audio too, even with speakers. Speaker configuration. So here we have several presets for headphones, for soundbar, for example, home cinema, and the night mode. So for example, we can use configuration for the soundbar. Okay, but so it's just different profiles for different type of speakers. Okay, enabling licensed music. What is that? For example, if you want to record some videos for your YouTube channel, and you're afraid that music inside the game can just block your video or monetization on your video, you can disable licensed music. You will hear only licensed free music. You have in this game licensed and licensed free music, so sometimes you will hear music too. But of course, if you wanna enjoy the game with all original music, so enable this feature. Okay, allow audio in background, so you can enable it or disable. And of course, if you have some troubles with the music, you can always reset all settings just to return to the standard factory settings of music. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. Leave me a like and a comment below. Bye.